Well, well, well. Look at this. It's pouring in rain. And we're drying hemp to 5%. This is the way it is, guys. This is the future. And you see the land behind there with the big sprinkler? That's going to be hemp too. For anyone that wants to do this the right way, let me know. This machine can dry hemp in any country, in any condition, and in any weather. As long as you got natural gas and electricity and hemp, you can dry up to 60,000 pounds a day. Out for now. Don't forget, you are what you eat. Food is your medicine. And I think another very important thing is what you think about all day will determine your future. Anyway, love to you all. Stay healthy. Think good things. Bye-bye.